my friends in YouTube land. This is Winston GeL. Yes, the one and only Winston GeL, the awesome, yes, chef on the Winston GeL TV International Cooking and Discovery channel. Yes, today I'm going to do a vegetable shrimp. Yes, a vegetable shrimp that is consists of course, shrimps, some celeries, broccoli, carrots, bell peppers. Yes, vegetable shrimps. And I will be having this with some white rice. So it's going to be a curry vegetable shrimp. Yes, I love curry. Yes, a lot of my dishes I present to you has curry. Curry has a very unique taste, very unique flavor. Yes, this was introduced to the island many years ago, centuries ago by the Indians. And so yes, I cook with a lot of curry. So without any further ado, let me go to the stove and get this vegetable shrimp curry on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on YouTube. Alright, introducing some olive oil, yes. That's what I cook it. Trying to have a healthy lifestyle. Yes. Olive oil. I cannot cook with coconut oil and coconut milk as often as possible anymore because of the cholesterol level that it affects. So olive oil, healthy. Alright, so I'm gonna get some garlic into the oil and some other seasoning, and then get the shrimps, saute the shrimps, and then one by one I will be adding the vegetables. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to saute basically the garlic and the tomatoes together. Because of my health, it's not concentrated, so sea salt. Of course, this is one of the healthiest salt. Some garlic powder, even though there's fresh garlic inside the oil on the stove. Some garlic powder, not too much, and some onion powder. And then next I'll just put in some black pepper. Then I go back to the stove. Garlic and the tomato and the onions, alright. start. Okay, things are ready. They're ready to receive the shrimps. Alright, I'm going to put some black pepper, the shrimp, this is not a major project here today in my cooking lab. Yes, this is not a major. This is a semi-medium. Yeah, put it out as semi-medium. Alright, so I have garlic powder, I have sea salt, and I have black pepper here. Alright, now I'm going to take it to the stove. Alright, there's my shrimps. Alright, these are jumbo shrimps. I said they're jumbo shrimp, but not all of them. These are going to be shrunk. Everything shrunk down to size, my goodness. Alright, I'm going to take these out, take the shrimps out, and do the vegetables separate. Because I don't want to overcook the shrimps. Alright, so I'm going to remove the shrimps from the vessel. Shrimps. Yes, I did wash the vessel. Watching the Winston GeL cooking and Discover TV on the YouTube platform. Yes, I am doing another vegetable dish. Now I'm going to get some seasoning in here, the remainder of my seasoning, and I'm going to add the vegetables. Onions and green scallion. Yes. I'll put some butter in here. I'm going to put this whole bar of butter in it. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and the Discover TV. Alright. Okay, it's ready to receive. I'm going to put in my celery stalks. In my broccoli and my carrot as well. a little bit more black pepper. I don't have any Scotch bonnet or red pepper. The ones that sold at the supermarket, they're not in the best of shape, so don't buy them. I'll be adding the shrimps back in there and top it off with the bell peppers and the sour leaves. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I'm going to add the shrimps back. My bell peppers. Sour leaves. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, cover it up. Alright, so this is my vegetable shrimp here. So this is all I'm going to show you today. This is being cooked. Alright. Taste. Let's see what it tastes. Tastes good. Tastes good, but could be something else in here. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Yes, my vegetable shrimps. Yes. Vegetable shrimps. It's delicious. I'm going to share it now. so that was my plate. You're watching Winston GeL cooking on TV on YouTube. Vegetable curry shrimps with plain white rice. And you'll see this on the Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV. That is my vegetable shrimp curry dish that I made here today. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Please continue to support my channel on Winston GeL cooking and Discovery TV. Thank you so very much. Appreciate you. Love you all.